Hi, welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I will be talking about modified bubble sort, and this particular topic is very important because a lot of questions is asked during the interview regarding this. Say for example, they may ask like a question like that: can we have an sorting algorithm with a time complexity of n? Okay, we cannot have. That is very true. But if suppose all the element that has come in a sorted, okay, and you don't know because the computer doesn't know that all the elements are coming in a sorted. Say example, all the element that are coming is like this, 78, okay, 56, then 23, then 5 and 2. It is already coming in the sorted form. Okay, now what I'm doing is that I'm just checking each time. I again doing this algorithm, whether it is bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, and all these things, and checking it. So what is happening? I am just simply, I am wasting my time. But bubble sort provide one very important phenomena, okay, to which if the elements are already sorted, okay, I can check this in a time complexity of in a single what you said, the complexity of O of n, right? Or I can say by through one particular execution of the entire loop, that is in a single pass. In a single pass, I can determine that the elements are sorted, already sorted. Sorry, the elements are already sorted, hence we don't require to sort it. Now the question comes, how I will determine that it is already sorted in a single pass? See, if it is already sorted, then this particular swap will never going to work. Okay, this particular swap will never going to have. Say for example, I want to sort this, okay, in this in the descending order. So I am comparing, is this is less than this? No. Okay, again this is less than this? No. Okay, if this is less than this? No. Okay, this is less than this? No. So that means I am not able to swap anything, right? Or if I have like this 2, 5, then what is 23, 56, 78. Is 2 greater than 5? No. Is 5 greater than 23? No. Is 23 greater than 56? No. If 56 greater than 78? No. That means we are not going to this particular this code itself, right? Okay, that means we have not done any swapping. Then how will I going to understand that there is no swapping is done? What I will going to do, I will take one variable called as flag. I say flag equal to 0. Okay, I will take what? Flag equal to 0, and here I will put flag equal to 1. Yes. So after completion of this loop, I will check if flag equal to 0, then break. Right, understand? I put flag equal to 0. Okay, done. Then if there is any kind of swapping happening, okay, then I will put flag equal to 1. Say example, last this is like this 78, 56, correct? Now last this we have a swap, so flag will be equal to 1. Okay, flag will be equal to 1. Then we said okay, it is not sorted, so it will go up. Okay, again it will check, right? And then we already sorted means we have now 56 and 78. Now let us come again here. 2 is less than 5, 5 is less than 23, 23 is less than 56. No swapping happens. Okay, so what I can do is that I cannot write flag equal to 0 here. I will put it here. Much better, because there may be situation where only one element. For that, in the next already on rest of the thing is sorted, so I can put flag equal to 0 here each time. Okay, right? And in this particular any of the passes, if we find that there is no swapping, that means all the elements are sorted. Agreed or not? Yes, all the elements are sorted, right? And sorry, and then we can easily break out of and easily can break out of the loop, the outer loop. Because in the inner loop, what we are doing? Inner loop, we are just checking, and we are doing swapping, right? We are checking whether it is a letter greater than or lesser than, and we are swapping. Now, if there is no swapping happening in the inner loop, just from the out, then means what? Already elements are sorted. So in the outer loop, I simply write if flag equal to 0, break. Yes. So in the outer loop, I initially put flag equal to 0. Okay. And in each of the pass, I'm checking. If there is swapping happening, means flag equal to 0, no breaking, come up. Yes, flag equal to 1, okay, come up, okay. Yes. Now we see flag equal to flag equal to 0 because nothing is happening. So you will break it up, and then we can easily print the element. Okay. So I have to declare flag here. So I put here flag. Okay. Yes. So let me execute. So let me say 5. Okay. Let us do, say, all elements are in the sorted form. Yes. So I got it. Oh, sorry. This is not in the sorted form because I'm doing descending order, right? Okay. So let me again execute. Okay. Now, how are you going to understand that already, it is sorted? So I can say here break. Before that, I will say, as well said, printf elements are sorted in pass %d. So I can also know the pass I plus 1. Okay, because I value is 0. Okay, done. Okay, let me see. Now let me execute again. It is a largest one, so I will enter large value. So 5 elements. Okay, let's say 56. Okay, 35, 45, 34, 23, 12. Yeah, elements are sorted in pass 1. Okay, I should have given a slash and then it could have been much better. Okay, now again I'm executing. Okay, so 5, enter the elements. Okay, enter the elements. Oh, I put, suppose, say 56, 45, 34, 23 and 12. Okay, now you can see the elements are sorted in pass 1. The elements are sorted in pass 1 only. So that means we are coming out. Okay, let us again execute this, and I write like this. Okay, 5 elements. Let us say this is 56, 45, okay, then 34. Then I write here 12 and write here, 23. So one pass will be executed. In the second pass, we'll find out that there is no swapping. See, in the second pass we got there is no swapping. So that is the reason why I have put this flag here itself. You understood? All of you. Okay, so we have flag equal to. So each of the passes I am checking. Okay, if there is no swapping has been done, that means what? The elements are already sorted. Okay, yes. So I hope you have understood the modified bubble sort. Okay, so if there is any question on this, then you can, and if they said, okay, please modify the bubble sort so that we don't want to do any kind of swapping whenever there is any kind of already the elements are sorted, and this is the way that we can do. Okay, and we have seen also, if all the elements are sorted, so in a single one particular loop that is executed in a single pass only, we are determining whether the elements are sorted or not. And that's the reason why this is the reason how we can increase the performance of your algorithm, right? Yes. So because if there may be a situation, right, where we may told that if we have, suppose, elements coming in, but most of the time the element will come in the sorted form, then why we are going to waste time on checking it, right? The same thing if you want to implement quick sort and merge sort also, when you didn't divide and conquer also, what will happen? We will going to divide, we will going to compare, and we will going to do right? Okay, so the best way, if the elements are sorted, is to use the bubble sort, just modified by looking whether there is no, what you say, swapping is happening in a pass. If it is not happening, then you can stop and you can directly say the elements, can print out the elements are sorted. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you have understood the modified bubble sort. Okay, this is very important questions, very important question, sorry, important question for your interview also. Okay, so I hope you have had an exciting, session out here. Okay, thank you so much. So do keep watching my video, do subscribe my channel, and please share my channel with your friends. Thank you.